Welcome to Sori Panca Waterfall. Sori Panca Waterfall, located in Setya village, Wardani district, Dompu Regency, West Nusa Tenggara. It is located far from the village of Setya village, Dompu. It's not an obstacle for visitors. Panca Setya Waterfall is very far in the middle of a dense forest. Visitors must pass through a dusty and up and down road to arrive at the location of the waterfall. After arriving at the parking lot, approximately 15 minutes visitors must go down the road to arrive at the location of the waterfall. This waterfall, which is approximately 100 meters high, has not been officially managed by the people of Setya village. Its management is still linked to 10,001 motorbike parking places for visitors, and further management is planned to be more orderly. The track here this location is quite dangerous, so tourists have to be careful coming here so that there are no accidents when going down to Sori Panca Waterfall.